BTP, Big Business Technology for Small Business.
Good morning, welcome to BTP, Michael Jenkins here. How are you today? Now, another little topic for discussion. You know we do phone systems, you know we do IT, you know we can do cabling, you know we can do all that kind of stuff. Yet it amazes me how many times we get called out to help down servers for test and tag. It's very awkward to organise a test and tag person. It's very hard to organise us at the same time after hours, whatever it might be, to actually be there at the same time. But we have a solution. Did you know we do test and tag? So these same IT guys that are going to be shutting down your systems and your phone systems and all the rest of it can arrange your test and tag at the same time. Yes, interesting thought there, isn't it? No one thinks about that. But here we are, brand new office. It's about to go live, equipment's about to come in, and as the equipment comes in is the best time to do the test and tag. We are fully qualified and we have a service engineer available to do this. We can do all the little books and record everything, put the stickers on everything, so we do it properly as per the way it's supposed to be done with up-to-date training, up-to-date testing equipment. So if you need to test and tag, one more thing BTP can do for you with a brand new office fit out or even an existing old office fit out, whatever you've got, if it's due and in different circumstances, say manufacturing every 3 months, let's say an office building probably every 12 months, whenever it's due, give us a call, give us a try, and that way we can actually do the test and tag and down your equipment at the same time, and once it's done, bring it all back up. So look, one more thing that BTP do that no one really realizes is test and tag. Give us a call, let us know. And if this is helpful to you, obviously share the video, let others know. Didn't know do test and tag? Love to hear your feedback. Is it a surprise to you? There's lots of things we do that we don't talk about too often, and here's one more, test and tag. Right, everybody, well, have a great day. It's the end of the week, end of the month. Time to knuckle down and get all the bookkeeping done. Anyway, I'll see you on the flip side next week. See you later.